Good morning, student. Now, today we will start a new topic, that is circle. Okay, you all know the shape of the circle. This is a circle. Circle is a curved shape with all its points lying at the same distance from a fixed point. Listen, this is a circle in which A is the center of the circle and the distance between A to any corner of the circle is same. Okay, circle is a curved shape with the same distance from a fixed point. If you measure from here to here, it will be same as if you measure here to here. This is a circle. A circle is a curved shape with all its points lying at the same distance from a fixed point, that is called as center. Now drawing circle. You can see this is a circle. You can make a circle with the help of a bangle, bottle cap. But if you want to make it in a proper way, you have to use this. This is a compass. You all have a geometry box. If you don't have geometry box, then you have to purchase it. Please purchase the geometry box. In your geometry box, you will see that there is a compass. With the help of this compass, you can make a circle. You have to put your pencil here and make the circle. Okay, I will show you. Look. This is the way of making the circle. Keep the metal point of the one arm fixed on a paper. Stretch out the arm that hold the pencil. You have to put the pencil here. Keep the metal point fixed and move the pencil arm around it. Then you have to put the compass here and you have to remove the side. You have to only rotate the pencil and you can draw the circle. By stretching the arm more, you can draw a bigger circle. By stretching it less, you can draw a small circle. Now, we will read about the parts of the circle. Okay. Now, first one is center. Now, we will read about the parts of the circle. This is a circle and there are many parts of the circle. First one is center. The point at which we had kept the metal arm of the compass fixed can be marked as O. The point O is the center of the circle. This is a point where you put the compass and rotate your compass and make a circle. So this is called as center. And the name of the center is O. You can mark the center with any name, P, Q, R, A, B, C, D, anything. This is called as center. You have to learn the definition of center. The point at which we had kept the metal arm of the compass can be marked as a O, and the point O is the center of the circle. Now radius. If you join any point on the circle to the center of the circle, we get a line segment. This is called the radius of the circle. Listen, this is a circle and this is the center of the circle, and from that center we have to make a straight line. This straight line is named as P and R. P and R. This is a radius. The radius is a line segment which is at the one side of the circle to the another side of the circle. This will be always in that way always. And you can name. This is called a radius. If we join any point of the circle to the center of the circle, we get a line segment. And this is called as the radius of the circle. Here OP, OM and OR all are the radius of the circle O. A radii is the plural of the radius. If there is only one radius, then it will be radius. And if there is more than one radius, then it will be radii. Now chord. If any 2 points on a circle are joined, we get a line segment. This is called a chord of the circle. And AB and CD are the chord of the circle. Here you can see the chord should not touches the center of the circle. Radius will always touches the center of the circle, but chord is always at the top or at the end of the circle. It never touches the center of the circle. You can see this is AB. It doesn't touch the center of the circle. Center is here, but chord is different. A and B, C and D. You can see any point on the circle are joined. We get a line segment. But it doesn't touches the point. That is called as chord. Now diameter. A chord of a circle which passes through its center is called a diameter. Here MN and PQ are diameter of a circle. A circle has many diameters. All diameters have the same length of MN and PQ. Diameter is a circle which passes through a chord of a circle which passes through its center is called a diameter. Passes through the center is called a diameter. Diameter is always passes through the center, then it will be called a diameter. If it doesn't pass through the diameter, it will not a diameter. Now circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. This portion is called as circumference. Okay, you can see here this is called as circumference. We cannot measure the circumference of a circle with ruler through it is length of the boundary of a circle. You can't measure this by a scale because it is not straight. This is curved. Okay, drawing a circle with given radius. With the help of this, if you have to draw a circle, assume that you are told that you have to make a circle of 5 centimeter. So first of all you have to measure the circle, measure the 5 centimeter from your scale with the help of the compass. Then you have to make a circle of 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is for all today. In next video I will tell you how you have to solve the exercises. Okay, 8.3. So please the things which I had told you, please read and try to understand the terms, and also about the parts of the circle and what is circle, what are the parts of the circle, like center, radius, circumference and diameter. Okay, thank you.